Yellow. May umutot. Yellow pala natin, oh, wala.
Kung dala 5 piraso.
May nakalimutan pa ako.
Nakalimutan mo, balikan mo muna.
Alam, bigas.
Tayo matatahanin dyan.
Hindi, doon na, maraming tindahan doon.
Ay, nakangiti sila oh. Nagtitinginan nila tayo.
May maraming tao dali oh, nakatingin dito sa
Kaya nga eh.
Kabilaw, vlogger oh.
Uy, ang ganda oh. Ang ganda to oh.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now.
Hello mga kabini! So welcome back. At ngayon na lang po ulit kami mag-video dahil sobrang busy sa work. Bali, 4 months kami hindi nag-vlog. So ngayon na lang ulit kami mag-vlog dahil kami ay mayroong pupuntahan. So kasama namin si Bibi, syempre. Tapos yung mga aso. Ay, sobrang kalat ng likod namin. Eugene, say hi! Hello! At kasama namin ang 3 pang minivan. So papakita ko sa inyo. So nasa pang-4 kami, yung nasa unahan namin. Bago namin friend na DA64W Sporty. Hindi ko makita pero nandun sa unahan si Lavender, DA64V, DA64W, at nang nasa pinakaunahan namin ay si Caramelo na DA64V. So kami ay magkakamping-kampingan lang sa Tagaytay. Tagaytay?
Mendes.
Ha? Mendes, Cavite. So, wala lang, biglaang chill lang dito dahil kami po ay mga taga Cavite. So, bale, very accessible sa amin yung mga campsite na malapit dito sa Tagaytay, sa Mendes, Cavite. So, mga 1 hour travel lang kami papunta doon. So, yan. So, samahan nyo kami sa vlog namin ngayong araw. Bali, raw video lang to, raw vlog lang siya. Hindi naman kami vlogger. Raw vlog lang to. And yeah, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung magiging ganap namin sa biyahe, tsaka sa pagka-camping namin. Nakasama sila. Bali, 4 na minivan kami. Mga BMX at SEOC. So, shoutout sa inyong lahat. Tadi.
Let's go!
Let's go! Hey, oy! Nakita mo yun? Sana all, ganun. Yung iba kasi snub eh. Yung ibang minivan snub. Bakit kayo ganyan? Dapat, pag may nakasalubong kayong minivan, babati kayo.
Feeling it, my bones telling me it's right. It's so different. When you take me to the light, it's like a cigarette, and I'm burning at your lips. 'Cause that's so in.
Yellow. May umutot. Yellow pala natin, oh, wala.
Kung dala 5 piraso.
May nakalimutan pa ako.
Nakalimutan mo, balikan mo muna.
Alam, bigas.
Tayo madadaanan dyan.
Hindi, doon na. Maraming tindahan doon.
Ay, nakangiti sila oh. Nagtitinginan nila
Ibig
tayo.
yan, maraming tao dali, nakatingin dito sa
Kaya nga eh.
Kabilaw, vlogger oh.
Uy, ang ganda oh. Ang ganda to oh.
pinarinig niyo parang yun.
Bigyan ko sana sticker, eh, vlogger tayo.
Can you kick it up and now I want to show you all what you deserve. And know we got so much to learn. And just like when we said I do, and it's only you that can do it like that. Yeah, I like it with you. I like it with you. I like it with you. In the sand that we'll dance. We ain't got no plans. I like it with you. I like it with you. And the hours will melt all night long. I like it when you close all the curtains, taking out the trash and the burdens. We got all the time, ain't no worries. I like it with you in it. Make me take a little look. Can we finish it? And then get busy getting back into the thick of it, yeah. Take a second, breathe it in, that again. I'm still understanding just how you do. The magic when you look at me, and when I'm saying it inside your seat. Oh, and just like when we said I do, and it's only you who can do like that. It's only you who can do like. I like it with you. I like it with you. I like.
Naka-design na talaga ito yung ano. Even sa Cavite, maliliit na bayan na to ha.
Oops, nalang crossway. Time check. 5 minutes na lang. Papunta sa ating destination. It's 1:54 PM. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Barangay Poblacion. At nandito kami ngayon na stuck dahil one way. Nangyari? Paliko.
Nangyari, Neil.
Ayun sila, karamihan na lumiko na. Next.
One way pala to.
One way daw?
Oh my God.
One way.
One way nga.
Eh, tayo ni Kuya, one way daw to.
Sorry. Ay, ayun oh. May nakasalunod sa
Boss, thank you ah. Hindi na, naligaw kami.
Okay lang yan.
Kaya pa nag-traffic oh. May nakita ng mga ano. Tayo pala mali. Hindi yung kotse.
With you, when the sand that we dance, we ain't got no plans. I like it with you. I like it with you. When the hours come all night long. I like it.
Welcome, Barangay Bukal.
Ayaw pa naman nila pandan na ulan.
2 minutes na lang papunta sa aming destinasyon at mukhang uulan pa nga yata. Ako, yapat daw. Apat ang liman. Ang cute naman kasi talaga tingnan, lalo na pag iba-iba yung color.
Ayun, driver.
Okay, we arrive at our destination.
Napasok.
Dito na kami. Sino ba may bababa? Si Yuri. Bibigyan niyo pagpasok. Dito na tayo sa totoong entrance. Okay naman. Hindi naman siya sobrang rough road. Kausapin niyo yung ops, walang lalabas. Kayo talaga Eugene Stella, ha? Yan, pag-usapan nila kung paano sila magpa-park. Hello, Ellie! Eugene! Stella! 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 Oh. Ellie! Eugene! Hello, Eugene! Hello, Eugene! Feeling ko goods na yan. Pay na lang. Pabaga na namin after 10 years. Tuyo ba yan?
Tutuyo din yan. Nandagdag ko.
I go to, and if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with.